5 simple exercises to make women more flexible and agile. Everyone knows that physical capabilities are largely determined by the mobility of our joints or their flexibility. The lack of movement threatens the body with a wrong posture, which is the reason for the occurrence of various kinds of spasms and muscle blocks. Most often, it affects the back and shoulder girdle. As a result, we get wrong posture, lose grace, and plastic movement. Flexibility is the maximum mobility in the joints, and one of the indicators of youthfulness of the body. In the absence of regular exercise, this mobility worsens. However, the development of the amplitude of the movement of joints is possible at any age. Just the time required for this will be different. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. How can you improve flexibility and agility? It's very simple. You need to start moving and as often as possible. For example, there are many cardio exercises that help burn calories, get high strength, and also they help improve performance and agility. Thus, the question arises, do you want to become more flexible and agile? If so, we have prepared a list of 5 simple but effective exercises that will help you to achieve all your body goals. These exercises work on all important muscles and give you strength, flexibility, and agility. Simply add them to your workout routine and get all their benefits in a short time. Number 1, V-ups. Number 2, jumping jacks. Number 3, mountain climbers. Number 4, step-ups. Number 5, squat jumps. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.